In this video, I'm going to teach you how to bring Elementor front in Elementor. In order to do this, we first need to head over right here to elementor.com. Make sure that you actually log in into your account. If you don't have an account yet, make sure to click on the This Get Started option right here in order to get started. Now, once you're done with Elementor, you first need to head over to wordpress.com. From in there, click on the This Get Started option in order to create an account, or click on the This Login option in order to sign into one. I already have an account on both of them, so let me head over and log in. Now this is the site that we currently have on Elementor WordPress. So what we can do is we can head over and then just choose in here a widget that we want to bring to front. For example, I have in here this. This is a GIF. Make sure to click on this and make sure to open in here this left sidebar. Once you click onto this particular GIF, you should be able to go over right here to the content. You can see it all together right here, right there as well. On my case, let me head over and click on Advanced. And you can find the actual front option by going to the Z index. Go over to Advanced, scroll down, and in here we have Z index. So this is actually the Z index for the desktop. On default, the actual value for that is 0, so you just need to input right here a value higher than 0 in order to add this particular widget to the front. For example, let's make this 1, and this should be able to put it into the front using this way. So z-index applies with the stacking context of parent elements. So if you have a nested element like the z-index of a child element, will only affect its stacking order within its parent as well. So for example, for elements with sticky headers or navigation menus that need to remain visible on top of all other content, a high z-index like around 999 is often used. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.